Hi, thank you for your purchase of my Google Slides Classroom News templates. I want to show you quickly what's included and how to use the resource. So we have templates that you can use anytime. They're just very plain, simple, basic templates. I'm going to just kind of click through so you can see some of them. We have back to school theme ones with apples and school buses, pencils. We have fall. So there's some bats, pumpkins, Halloweeny things, leaves, turkeys, and we have some winter ones. Spring. And end of the year. Now, to use these, it's really easy. You're going to click the template you want to use. So let's say you want to use this one for your class. Don't edit it yet. Go to File, make a copy, select the slides, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to name it Class News September 3rd. Okay, and it's going to make a copy. It's going to go into my plan book folder, which I already have set up. You could have that set up on yours. And it's making a copy for me. And we have it here. It's renamed. It's only the one page. Now I can go in here and I can click and I can edit the date. I can edit the name. I can even edit these headings, class news, if you wanted to change what you call it, maybe your name's class news, shout outs, reminders. These are all bulleted. You can also change on these ones the fill if you want to change the fill color. You could change the font color. You could change the font by highlighting and changing the font. These are all Google Slides fonts, and you can change anything with this one. This is a very basic one, so I have it where you can change the whole thing. Now I'm going to go to a class news template where there's some fixed items. So let's go back to the class news templates and let me find one with some graphics on. Because I cannot share graphics that you can grab or move. It would break the terms of use. So these are fixed graphics. So you can change everything else here. But if you notice, you can't grab the graphics or the background. That's all fixed. But you can still go and you can edit what you want to share. Now, once you have your class news template, how you like it, you can email share it with people. You can post it to your Google Classrooms. You can, I'm going to show you, you can file, you can download as a PNG if you want to share it on like a Parent Square app as like an image to parents. You can download it as a PDF if you want to email it as a PDF, which could be printable. You could even print from here. File, print down there. So there are multiple ways to share this. Personally, I post mine in class, Google Classroom, and I have it as an assignment for parents. And they have to turn in by, let's say, Tuesday of the week that they have read it. And that helps me see who's actually reading the class news. Or you could put it in a Parent Square type app and say, appreciate this post if you've read it for the week. And it's just a great way to share what's going on, what's frequently used numbers. Like I share the technical support number for the Chromebooks here because they're questions that the parents are asking me anyway, so I put them in there. Shout outs for birthdays, thank you for baby wipes. You can also ask for donations in the class news. You can adjust these boxes and you can add another text box if you need to. So it's really very flexible, but it's quick, easy for you to use. And I hope you enjoyed this resource. Thank you.